Hello everybody! Today I'm showing you how to make one of my family favorite dinners, chicken and mushroom masala penne. This pasta dish is creamy and delicious, but as usual, it's still healthy, fast to make with an affordable cost. So let's do it! First thing first, pasta dish, so get water in a large pot. Heat to high to bring to a boil. Wash and chop some parsley for garnishing later. This is optional. Give our mushrooms a quick wash. We need about 12 to 16 ounces of mushrooms. Butter. We need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Turn heat to medium. Chop mushrooms into thin slices. Dice 1 medium or large onion. Into the pan as well. Stir everything to coat with the butter. Perfect timing to add about half tablespoon of kosher salt in the boiling water pot. And you know what's going in next, our penne rigate pasta. 8 ounces would be enough for 3 people. I like to partially close with a lid to reduce the steaming. Make sure to reduce the heat accordingly to prevent spilling. Soft boil for about 10 minutes or according to package instructions. Give our mushroom a quick stir. We then mince about 3 cloves of garlic. Now we just stir occasionally until some of the mushrooms and onion, garlic turn brown. In the meantime, let's slide 1 boneless skinless chicken breast into thin slices. Now because 2 ounces of pasta contain about 7 grams of protein already, so we do not really need much meat in this dish. Always wash our hands with soap thoroughly after handling raw meat, especially poultry. Quick stir. Look at that, beautifully browned. Time for the chicken goes in. Stir up. We then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Stir to mix. We then add in half cup of masala wine. Stir and deglaze the bottom. Chicken broth and heavy cream, here we go. 1 cup of chicken broth and half cup of heavy cream. Give it a stir and bring it back to a boil. Meanwhile, our pasta should be done cooking now. Let's drain off the liquid. Quick stir to separate the pasta. Not yet, but almost there. Now we just stir occasionally until the sauce is slightly thickened. Put away the heavy cream, the broth in the fridge, and the wine above the fridge. Before the pasta goes in, taste and adjust seasoning for the last time if needed. It tastes so good. Hi, Sunny. Pasta going in. Quick stir. We then add in half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir until the cheese is melted, and it's done. Let's get it ready to eat. Some chopped parsley, some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Wow, it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to help me out. You have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.